Struggling with tall, overgrown grass that feels more like a field than a lawn? Today, I'll walk you through 5 tools ranked from weakest to best, so you know exactly which one can handle the job. Let's start with the lowest ranked option on this list, and I want to be very clear right away, this isn't even a mower. The VEVOR push lawn sweeper is designed to pick up debris, not cut grass, which automatically places it at the bottom for tall grass jobs. What it does well is clean up. With a 21-inch sweeping path and a large hopper, it can collect leaves, clippings, and small sticks after you've already mowed. The adjustable brush height helps it adapt to different surfaces, and since it's lightweight, it's easy to push around your yard. But here's the catch. If your grass is knee-high and out of control, this tool won't help you one bit. It doesn't cut, trim, or reduce height. Compared to every other product on this list, it simply serves a different purpose. So who is this for? Someone who already owns a mower and wants an easier way to clean up afterward. If you're here to actually cut tall grass, stick with me, we're moving on to real mowers now. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best prices in the description right under the video. Next up is the VEVOR HS. This one actually cuts grass, but it's still near the bottom of the ranking because it's a manual reel mower. The 5-blade reel design gives you a clean, precise cut, especially on short, well-maintained lawns. It's lightweight, quiet, and requires no gas, no battery, and almost no maintenance. If you enjoy a simple, old-school mowing experience, this has a certain charm. However, tall grass is where it struggles. With a maximum cutting height under 2 inches, it's clearly built for already short lawns. Thick or overgrown grass will require serious effort, and you'll likely have to go over the same area multiple times. Compared to powered mowers on this list, it simply doesn't have the muscle. This is ideal for small yards that are cut regularly and never allowed to get out of control. But if your lawn looks more like a meadow, you'll want something stronger. And before we move on, if this breakdown is helping you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point reviews. Now we're getting into powered mowers. The Greenworks LMG401 is a compact cordless option, landing right in the middle of our ranking. Its 24-volt battery and brushless motor give it quiet, low-maintenance operation. At around 24 pounds, it's extremely easy to maneuver. For small lawns and light grass, it's convenient and simple to use. No gas, no cords, no hassle. But here's the issue for tall grass. A 13-inch deck is narrow, and the battery power is limited. When grass gets thick or damp, runtime drops and performance slows down. Compared to wider and more powerful mowers higher in this ranking, it feels underpowered for serious overgrowth. This is best for small yards that are maintained regularly and never allowed to grow tall. If convenience is your top priority and your lawn stays manageable, it can work. But if you need more cutting strength, the next mower steps things up. The Greenworks 25322 improves on the previous model in a big way. It's still cordless and easy to use, but the 40-volt battery gives it noticeably more power. With a wider 16-inch deck and a higher maximum cutting height, it handles thicker grass more confidently. You also get longer runtime, which means fewer interruptions. Compared to the smaller Greenworks model, this one feels more capable and balanced. That said, it's still a push mower and not self-propelled. In very dense or extremely tall grass, you may need to slow down or make multiple passes. And while it's stronger than the 24-volt model, it still can't quite match the raw cutting force of a gas engine. This mower is perfect for small to medium lawns that occasionally get a little out of control but aren't completely overgrown. If you want cordless convenience with better performance, this is a solid step up. But for the toughest tall grass, there's one more machine to talk about. At the top of the ranking, we have the PowerSmart. This is the most capable mower here for tackling tall, thick grass. The 144cc gas engine delivers strong, consistent power. A 21-inch cutting deck covers more ground with each pass, and the higher cutting range gives you room to handle overgrowth without stalling. Compared to every other mower on this list, this one is clearly built for tougher jobs. Of course, it's heavier and requires gas and maintenance. You'll deal with fuel, oil, and more weight to push. But when grass gets dense and challenging, that extra power makes a real difference. If your lawn regularly grows tall or you sometimes let it get out of hand, this is the safest choice. It's built to handle thicker growth with confidence, and that's exactly why it earns the #1 spot. If you're serious about cutting tall grass, check out the top options using the links in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another honest side-by-side review.